Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. So this morning I am making avocado on toast. So I started by preparing the avocado. I just cut it into little pieces and got it ready to be mashed into a bowl with some chili flakes, some black pepper and some garlic granules. I then mashed it together and then I added it to toast. I didn't get to record that bit. For lunchtime I had prepared some grilled salmon and some couscous and some seasoned potatoes and broccoli. So this was quite filling and healthy. The salmon was marinated in lemon and parsley and some chili flakes, some garlic and all-purpose seasoning. The couscous that I am having is a Mediterranean vegetable couscous, so it's got peppers in. For dessert, I just had some oats with some peanut butter and milk and some chocolate chips. This tasted like cookie dough. For evening dinner, I had some steamed broccoli and some noodles. I also had some mushrooms in the bowl and had some cookies ready for dessert. And a mogu mogu drink which has lychee pieces in. So the noodles were egg noodles. And they were made with fried onions, eggs, soy sauce, some noodle seasoning. Later I was just organising my desk. So I went for a pink theme for my desk. So I tried to make sure that everything is light pink. Later I went to the grocery shop and they had lots of different flavours for Muggu Muggu drink. This is one of my favourite drinks. I especially like the lychee one. I haven't tried any of the other flavours yet, but there looks like there's lots to try. I'd be quite interested to try their pineapple and coconut one. So this shop was an Asian continental store which sell different types of spices, Indian spices and different types of snack. This section had some biscuits and they had a sugar-free biscuit aisle. There were some biscuits to go with tea, so some rusk biscuits and also some cakes. These powders are quite good for mixing into different types of curries. There is a few different options there like korma, Rogan Josh, biryani, balti dishes. There are so many different ones here. These ones have like chana or things to make with chicken. There are some for lamb dishes as well. So there's a huge variety to choose from. There's different types of biryani as well. And here are some ready mixes for making faluda more types of desserts like trifles and jellies. There were some other ones here. And this section did some kitchenware, including clay pots and also some types of flowers and some dishes and bowls. Then I went into the vegetable section to get some items for cooking. The red onions were quite big in size. So they had a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. This part is the vegetables. And they are vegetables that are from different parts of the world. Some cherry tomatoes, looking very red. And on this side are the different types of fruits like cherries, lychees, grapes, bananas. And lots of different types of apples and oranges. We also had some organic oils, such as black seed oil, which is really good to have. And there were things for the face, like rose oil and beauty products that are made from natural ingredients. There's a few gummy sweets to try. These are the two types of sweets I decided to buy. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.